plant species that has died out and no longer has any living members anywhere in the world. Extinct plant species that no longer exist on Earth. Franklinia alatamaha. Franklinia alatamaha has been extinct in the wild since the early 19th century and only exists in cultivation. Cooksonia. One of the earliest vascular plants, dating back to the Silurian period around 425 million years ago. It had no leaves or roots, only simple stems. Lepidodendron. Also known as scale trees, these giant tree-like plants were common during the Carboniferous period around 300 million years ago and are related to modern club mosses. Glossopteris, a genus of seed ferns that dominated the southern supercontinent Gondwana during the late Paleozoic era. Its extinction marked the end of a significant plant group. Archaeopteris, a tree-like plant that existed around 360 million years ago in the Devonian period. It is considered a transitional form between ferns and gymnosperms, Sigillaria, an extinct genus of spore-bearing plants related to Lepidodendron, common during the Carboniferous period. Silphium, a plant used extensively in ancient Greece and Rome for medicine and as a spice. Overharvesting likely led to its extinction. Calamites, a genus of tree-like plants related to modern horsetails, thriving during the Carboniferous and early Permian periods. Archifructus, an early genus of flowering plants from the early Cretaceous period, which is now extinct. These plants played significant roles in Earth's ecosystems during their time, but have long since vanished due to natural events, climate changes, or human activities. Species become extinct for the following reasons: demographic and genetic phenomena, destruction of wild habitats, introduction of invasive species, climate change. Habitat loss is the primary cause of higher extinction rates. Other causes include habitat changes, as overexploitation of wildlife for commercial purposes, the introduction of harmful non-native species pollution, and the spread of diseases. Prevent species from going extinct and aid in their recovery. Learn about endangered and threatened species in your area and the threats they face. Watch wildlife responsibly. Volunteer for restoration projects and take other actions to protect habitat. Protecting, restoring, and connecting the habitats on which endangered species and other wildlife depend for their survival, and encouraging wildlife-friendly land management practices. Legislation preventing the hunting of endangered species. Nature conservationists to Butte National Conservative Park to protect wildlife species. Thanks for watching Botany Zoom. Like, share, and subscribe. It's being a reward for me from your side.